Hello food lovers, welcome back! Today I show you another 30-minute recipe called beetroot risotto. I really like every ingredient of this vegetarian lunch idea. Let's see what's needed for 2 servings. 250 gram beetroot, 25 gram butter, 2 garlic cloves, half teaspoon cumin and coriander, salt, pepper to taste, 180 gram rice, half liter vegetable stock, little oil, 2 light camembert which is optional, and some salad. Now before we start, please take a moment to like my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, it is the time to do so. As a first step, grate the cooked beetroot. As you can see, I bought pre-cooked vegetable, this way it's faster. However, you can use raw beetroot. That way takes longer time because you need to cook the beetroot before this step. Now melt up the butter in a pan on high heat. When the butter melted properly, add beetroot and fry it for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the 2 crushed garlic cloves, salt, pepper, coriander, cumin, mix it and fry it until you can start to smell the garlic, approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Before adding the rice, I rinse it with cold water. Add rice and fry it for another 3 minutes to deepen the flavor. After 3 minutes, we start to add the vegetable stock bit by bit. Meanwhile, let me mention for you the links I put in the description below. If you are interested, you can find some stuff for your kitchen. Before you add another portion of vegetable stock, always wait until it absorbs the moisture. When you add the last bit of the stock to the pan, cover it with a lid. Lower the heat and cook it until it's soft, approximately for 20 minutes. We are almost finished. 5 minutes before serving, I start to grill the camembert. Both sides of it needs only 2 minutes. I use my electric grill, but if you have a grill pan, that's perfectly fine to use. After 2 minutes, turn the cheese around. Taste the rice and add some extra salt if it's needed. Keep it moisturized because it shouldn't be dry. You can add some extra water if the rice is not soft enough. Now it is ready. Before serving, we remove the garlic cloves. The plate decoration is up to you. The main thing is to serve it as you have desired to eat it. You can add any type of salad you like. I give you one more tip. Rucola is really great with it. Enjoy it. Bon appetit! I appreciate that you are watching and see you next week.